Here we have two questions A and B, but in exam we can choose either question A or question B. First, let us start with question A. Here the question is find the integral of e power x divided by square root of 5 minus 4 into e power x minus e power 2x into dx. Now let us write the given question I equal to integration of e power x divided by square root of 5 minus 4 into e power x minus e power 2x into dx. Again here we have e power x many times. Here e power x and again 4 into e power x minus e power 2x. So we are going to take e power x equal to some variable. Here we'll take e power x equal to t. Now we are going to differentiate on both sides. If we differentiate, we get e power x into dx, which is equal to dt. Now we are going to substitute the value of e power x here. So I equal to integration of e power x into dx equal to dt. So we can write e power x into dx, which is equal to dt here, divided by square root of 4 minus 4t minus t square. This is a simple expression. We can solve it easily. I equal to integration of dt divided by, we take minus sign outside, we get t square plus 4t minus 5. And if we simplify this, we get dt divided by square root of 3 square minus t plus 2 the whole square. We know that this is in the form of integration of 1 by a square minus b square. So if we integrate this, we get sine inverse of t plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. So substitute the value of t, which is equal to e power x in this. We get sine inverse of the value of t is e power x plus 2 divided by 3 plus c. Now this is the answer for given question. Let us see the mark distribution now. For assuming the value of e power x, which is equal to t, and differentiating this, you get 0.5 mark. And taking the value of I and simplifying this, getting the value in this one, you get 1 mark. Finally, substituting the value of t equal to e power x and getting the final answer, you will get another 1.5 mark. So totally 3 marks for given question. Now let us solve question number B. Here the question is evaluate the integral value of 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x into cos pi 5x dx. Let us take the given value I equal to integration of the limits from 0 to pi by 2, the I square root of sin x into cos pi 5x dx. Now we are going to write integration of the limits from 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x into cos x into cos pi 4x into dx. Just we are splitting this. Now we know that cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. So we can write integration of the limits from 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x into 1 minus sin square x into cos x into dx. Now we are going to write sin x equal to u. Now for writing this cos pi 4x dx as 1 minus sin square x dx, you will get 0.5 mark. Now we are going to differentiate the sin x equal to u. If we differentiate this, we get cos x dx, which is equal to du. And we are going to substitute this. I equal to integration of the limits from 0 to pi by 2, and the root sin x is nothing but square root of u into 1 minus u square the whole square into du. Now we simplify this, we get the limits from 0 to pi by 2 square root of u into 1 plus u power 4 minus 2u square by using a minus b the whole square formula into du we have here. Now we are going to multiply this u inside. So limits from 0 to pi by 2. If we multiply this, we get u power 1 by 2 plus u power 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into u power 2 plus 1 by 2 into du. Now substituting the value of u and again simplifying this, you will get 1 mark. Now if we simplify this thing further, we get integration of the limits from 0 to pi by 2 u power 1 by 2 plus u power 9 by 2 minus 2 into u power 5 by 2 into d. Now we know that integration of u power n, which is equal to u power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now we are going to apply this formula here. So if we integrate this, we get u power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus u power 9 by 2 plus 1 divided by 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into u power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1. If we simplify this further, we get 2 into u power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into u power 11 by 2 divided by 11 minus 2 by 7 into 2 into u power 7 by 2. Now if you multiply this, we get this thing as it is, 2 into u power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 2 into u power 11 by 2 divided by 11 minus 2 times up to is 4, so 4 by 7 into u power 7 by 2. And we have the limits from 0 to pi by 2. Again here also 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Now before applying the limits, let us take value of u is sin x. So we are going to substitute the value of u here. If we substitute the value of u is sin x, we get 2 into sin x the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 2 by 11 into sin x the whole power 11 by 2 minus 4 by 7 into sin x the whole power 7 by 2, and the limits from 0 to pi by 2. So now we are going to apply the limits. If we apply the limits, we get 2 by 3 into sin of pi by 2 the whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 11 into sin of pi by 2 the whole power 11 by 2 minus 4 by 7 into sin of pi by 2 the whole power 7 by 2 minus the lower limits we are going to substitute. So if we take lower limits, we have 2 by 3 sin 0 whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 11 into sin 0 the whole power 11 by 2 minus 4 by 7 into sin 0 the whole power 7 by 2. So we get sin 0's cancel 0 and again 0, 0. So finally we have 2 by 3, you know that sin pi by 2 is 1, so 1 power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 11 into 1 power 11 by 2 minus 4 by 7 into 1 power 7 by 2. So we have 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 4 by 7. So if we take LCM, we have 231. Here we have 154 plus 43 minus 132. So here we have 64 divided by 231. So this is the final answer for the given question. Now for simplification, applying the limits and getting the final answer, you will get another 1.5 mark. So total 3 marks per question B.